Poppy Playtime won't open? Here's every fix, fastest first. In Steam, right-click Poppy Playtime, hit Properties, open the Install Files tab, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. When it's done, launch the game. If that fixed it, drop a comment saying fixed. If it's still not opening, right-click Poppy Playtime in Steam, Manage, Browse Local Files, Playtime Launcher, right-click Playtime Launcher, Properties, Compatibility, check Run this program as an administrator. Also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Hit Apply. Launch from Steam as normal. If it's still not launching, go to your GPU maker site, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and grab the latest driver. Poppy Playtime needs DirectX 11 or newer, and an old driver can block it completely. Install, restart, try again. If that doesn't do it, right-click Poppy Playtime in Steam, Properties, General, uncheck Enable the Steam overlay while in game. Also turn off the Discord overlay and the NVIDIA overlay if you have them running. Launch it. Still stuck? Try reinstalling the game. A fresh install will 100% clear everything up. One of those will get it running. Drop a comment saying fixed. If it's still not launching, tell me what you're seeing and I'll help you out.